Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus.
Thank you. Thank you. When we released the Infinity display, most people had never seen anything like it. Its groundbreaking design offered more screen in less space and quickly set a new industry standard. With the S9, we've built on this foundation, taking the same immersive end-to-end display and refining it even further. We've created a design so sleek and unified you can hardly tell where the screen ends. And as always, there's no notch. We've also refined the back of the phone, and it's as beautiful as the front. So take the fingerprint scanner, for example, which we all know is one of the most popular ways that we like to unlock our phones, which is why we didn't get rid of it. Instead, we listened carefully to your feedback, and we moved the fingerprint scanner directly below the camera, where it's even easier to reach naturally. And because we believe that in giving you more choice and convenience, we're also introducing Intelligent Scan. Intelligent Scan adapts to your needs, combining the key elements of iris scanning and face recognition to make it even easier for you to unlock your phone in more situations. And the feedback we collect from you extends to colors, too. And thanks to your input, the Galaxy S9 comes in 4 stunning colors: midnight black, titanium gray, coral blue, and the all-new, one-of-a-kind lilac purple, which I have a hunch is going to be a crowd favorite. And while it starts with an amazing display that you just saw in your hand, it also extends to one of the most fundamental tools in our lives, the camera. And to create the S9, we completely reimagined the camera and built an amazing phone around it to create the ultimate tool for communication and self-expression. What if your smartphone camera could adapt to your environment just like the human eye? What if it could radically slow down time? What if it could put more self into self-expression? And what if it could literally translate the world around you?
Most smartphone cameras just won't cut it after the sun goes down. The Galaxy S9 has a dual aperture smartphone camera that's actually designed to work like the human eye. If it's bright outside, the camera will automatically use a smaller aperture. And when it gets dark, the camera switches over to a wider aperture. In fact, the widest ever included in a smartphone. So you can take bright, clear shots day and night. When we set out to reimagine the camera, we focus on the experience our users love the most. And everyone loves slow-mo. It's one of the most popular shooting modes because it makes everything look totally epic. The great part about slow-mo is you don't need to be filming a once-in-a-lifetime event. It's all about radically slowing down time to make everyday moments epic. Now, just for comparison's sake, let's take a look at how super slow-mo stacks up against typical slow-mo on a smartphone. Video on the left is normal slow-mo. The one on the right is super slow-mo on the Galaxy S9 camera. Just look at that difference. And it's not just short clips. Using multi-take, you can record longer videos with up to 20 different slow-mo scenes. That means you can slow down the action at just the right moments. What's better than a cat video? That's right, a super slow-mo cat video. All I do is open up the camera, go to super slow-mo, And in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, I think we got it. Let's check it out. And no matter how many photos or videos you take, you don't have to worry, because the S9 comes with a micro SD slot, which lets you expand your base storage. You can use dual aperture, multi-frame processing, and super slow-mo on both the S9 and S9 Plus cameras. And now, for the very first time, we're bringing the incredible dual camera to the Galaxy S series with the S9 Plus. The S9 Plus comes with both a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. And it has optical image stabilization in both lenses, so you can take clear, focused shots, whether you're snapping a close-up portrait or a wide shot that captures more of the action. You're not just creating memories, you're creating art. With live focus, the S9 Plus lets you take beautiful portraits by adjusting the blur of the background to make the subject really stand out. And you can do it even after you've taken the shot.
See how it mirrors his actual facial expressions? You can even add voice messages to them. Plus, the S9 will generate 18 personalized emojis, all modeled after you. And here's the best bit. You can share all the emojis you create with your friends, no matter what kind of smartphone they have. And because we want users to enjoy the freedom that comes with open platforms and ecosystems, you can also use them with third-party apps like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger.
And with the S9, we've boosted the brightness of the screen. So in the brightest daylight or the darkest night, everything will look crisp and clear. Now, having an amazing display is really important to our users. But for a truly immersive viewing experience, the sound has to be amazing too. The S9 features speakers on both ends of the device. They're the loudest ever in a Galaxy phone. Loudest ever! Loud. Thank you. These are new AKG-tuned dual stereo speakers, and they've allowed us to do some truly incredible things with our partners at Dolby. Think back to the last time you went to your local cinema. The sound was totally immersive, right? Well, we've brought that feeling to the S9 with Dolby Atmos, bringing cinematic sound to a mobile device. Dolby Atmos takes advantage of the S9's new stereo speakers to move sound all around you in 3 dimensions, so you can fully lose yourself in the film you're watching. And it works whether you're listening to the S9's amazing new speakers or on your own pair of headphones, by simply connecting them to the convenient headphone socket at the bottom of the device. Thank you. We've made these changes because the fact is, many of us watch videos and films on our smartphones. And when we do, we're usually on the move. So, with the S9, whether you're streaming a video or playing an online game, you'll get a better experience than ever before. The S9 is powered by one of the most advanced chipsets on the market, which means you can get speeds faster than gigabit LTE. This is a device that revolutionizes the way we think about smartphones can be and what they can do for a generation that's more visual and more social than ever before. The S9 is our vision for the future of mobile phones.